We all crave a little luxury in our lives. It's that feeling of being pampered, of stepping into a world where every detail is designed to make you feel special. Imagine stepping into a hotel room that feels like a true escape, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by an ambiance that whispers relaxation and indulgence. A space designed for both comfort and style, where every piece of furniture, every fabric, and every color has been carefully chosen to create a harmonious environment. It's not just a room, it's an experience. That's the allure of a deluxe room. These rooms are crafted to provide an elevated level of comfort, with luxurious furnishings that invite you to unwind and relax. These rooms go beyond the ordinary, offering upgraded amenities and a touch of elegance. From high thread count sheets to state-of-the-art technology, every detail is designed to enhance your stay. But what if you could have that deluxe experience with an added bonus? The versatility of a Murphy bed. Imagine having the option to transform your space to suit your needs, whether you're looking for a cozy sleeping area or extra room to entertain guests. Picture yourself enjoying room service in the comfort of your deluxe room, with a meal prepared by top chefs, delivered right to your door. Or perhaps you're unwinding with a good book, nestled in a plush armchair, with soft lighting creating the perfect ambiance. And let's not forget the in-room spa services, where you can indulge in a massage or a luxurious bath, all without leaving the comfort of your room. It's these little touches that make a deluxe room truly special. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, a deluxe room offers the perfect blend of functionality and luxury. You can catch up on work with high-speed internet, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee while taking in the beautiful surroundings. And the views! Deluxe rooms often come with stunning vistas, whether it's a city skyline, a serene beach, or a picturesque mountain range. Imagine waking up to a breathtaking sunrise or winding down with a spectacular sunset. When it's time to check out, you'll leave with memories of a stay that was more than just a place to sleep. It was an experience of deluxe living and elevated comfort, one that you'll want to return to again and again. So why wait? Treat yourself to the luxury you deserve. Experience deluxe living today. Come shop at Murphy Nook. Let's talk about Murphy beds, those ingenious inventions that seem to magically disappear. A Murphy bed, also known as a wall bed, is a bed that folds up and stores vertically against the wall. Picture this. You wake up in your luxurious deluxe room, and with a simple lift and tuck, your bed disappears. The room transforms before your eyes, revealing valuable floor space. In a world where space is often at a premium, Murphy beds are true heroes. They're the ultimate space-saving solution, especially for smaller rooms or studio apartments. By folding away the largest piece of furniture in the room, the bed, you unlock a world of possibilities. Imagine having the floor space for a yoga session, a dance party, or simply the freedom to move around without obstacles. Now let's layer in the deluxe factor. Imagine stepping into a world where every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled experience of comfort and elegance. Imagine plush carpets that cushion your every step, soft lighting that creates a warm and inviting ambiance, and high-end finishes that speak of sophistication and luxury. These elements come together to create a space that is not just a room, but a sanctuary. A deluxe room with a Murphy bed doesn't skimp on the luxurious details. The Murphy bed, a marvel of modern design, offers both functionality and style. When folded away, it opens up the room, giving you more space to move around and enjoy. When it's time to rest, it unfolds effortlessly, providing a comfortable and supportive sleeping surface. You can still enjoy the finer things: a comfortable seating area where you can relax and unwind, a spacious desk that provides the perfect workspace for business or leisure, and maybe even a stylish kitchenette equipped with everything you need to prepare a quick meal or a gourmet feast. These features ensure that your stay is as convenient as it is luxurious. The Murphy bed seamlessly blends into the elegant surroundings, often disguised as a cabinet or shelving unit when not in use. This clever design not only maximizes space but also adds a touch of sophistication to the room. Whether you're here for a short stay or an extended visit, the deluxe features of this room ensure that you have everything you need for a comfortable and memorable experience. From the moment you step through the door, you'll be enveloped in an atmosphere of luxury and refinement, making your stay truly unforgettable. Section 5. Multifunctionality at its finest. Here's where the magic truly happens. By day, your deluxe room is an inviting living space, perfect for entertaining guests, relaxing with a good book, or tackling your to-do list. But when night falls, a simple pull transforms the room into a cozy haven for sleep. This multifunctionality is a game changer, especially for those who value both style and practicality. Section 6. Daytime Delight Living Area Chic. Let's dive into the daytime transformation. With the Murphy bed tucked away, you have a blank canvas for your living area. Arrange a stylish sofa and armchairs, create a cozy reading nook with a comfy throw, or set up a home office that inspires productivity. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Nighttime Retreat, Bedroom Bliss. As the day winds down, your deluxe room effortlessly transitions into a peaceful sleep sanctuary. Simply pull down the Murphy bed, fluff your pillows, and slip under the covers. Many Murphy beds come with high-quality mattresses, ensuring a comfortable and restful night's sleep. Section 8. Design Tips, Maximizing Your Murphy Room. In this chapter, we will explore how to make the most out of your Murphy room, transforming it into a functional and stylish space that meets all your needs. Ready to embrace the Murphy bed life? Murphy beds, also known as wall beds, are an excellent solution for maximizing space in small rooms. They can be folded up into the wall when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space for other activities. Whether you live in a studio apartment, a small home, or simply want to make a guest room more versatile, a Murphy bed can be a game changer. Here are a few design tips to make the most of your space. Vertical storage. Utilize wall space with shelves, cabinets, and hooks to maximize storage options. By going vertical, you can keep your floor space clear and create a more organized and efficient room. Consider installing floating shelves for books, decorative items, or even small plants. Wall-mounted cabinets can provide additional storage for clothes, linens, or other essentials without taking up floor space. Hooks can be used for hanging coats, bags, or accessories, keeping them easily accessible yet out of the way. Light and bright. Opt for light and airy colors to create a sense of spaciousness. Light colors, such as whites, pastels, and soft neutrals, can make a room feel larger and more open. They reflect natural light, enhancing the brightness of the space. Consider painting the walls in a light shade and using light-colored furniture and decor to maintain a cohesive and airy look. Adding pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork can add personality without overwhelming the space. Mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can make the room appear larger and reflect natural light. Mirrors are a great tool for creating the illusion of more space. Place a large mirror on one of the walls to reflect light and make the room feel more expansive. You can also use mirrored furniture or decor to add a touch of elegance and further enhance the sense of openness. Consider placing mirrors opposite windows to maximize the amount of natural light that bounces around the room. Multi-purpose furniture. Choose furniture pieces that serve dual purposes, such as a storage ottoman or a desk that doubles as a dining table. In a small space, every piece of furniture should work hard for you. A storage ottoman can provide a place to sit, a surface to place items on, and hidden storage for blankets, pillows, or other items. A desk that doubles as a dining table can save space and make the room more functional. Look for furniture that can be easily moved or reconfigured to suit your needs, such as foldable chairs or nesting tables. By choosing versatile pieces, you can create a flexible and adaptable space that meets all your needs. Create distinct zones. Divide the room into different functional areas to make the most of the space. For example, you can create a cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair and a small bookshelf, a home office setup with a desk and chair, and a seating area with a sofa or armchairs. Use rugs, lighting, and furniture placement to define each zone and make the room feel more organized and purposeful. By creating distinct areas for different activities, you can make the room more versatile and enjoyable to use. Add personal touches. Make the space your own by incorporating personal items and decor that reflect your style and personality. Display family photos, artwork, or souvenirs from your travels to make the room feel more inviting and unique. Choose decor items that you love and that make you happy, whether it's a colorful throw blanket, a piece of art, or a unique piece of furniture. By adding personal touches, you can create a space that feels like home and that you enjoy spending time in. Bring in some greenery. Plants can add life and freshness to any room. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive indoors, such as succulents, snake plants, or pothos. Place them on shelves, windowsills, or in corners to add a touch of nature and improve the air quality. Plants can also add color and texture to the room, making it feel more vibrant and welcoming. If you don't have a green thumb, consider using artificial plants for a similar effect without the maintenance. Utilize smart storage solutions. Look for creative ways to store items and keep the room clutter-free. Underbed storage, hidden compartments, and multifunctional furniture can help you make the most of the available space. Use storage bins, baskets, and organizers to keep items neatly stored and easily accessible. By keeping the room organized and free of clutter, you can create a more relaxing and enjoyable environment. Focus on comfort. Make sure the room is comfortable and inviting. Choose high-quality bedding, cozy blankets, and plush pillows to create a comfortable sleeping area. Add soft lighting such as table lamps or string lights to create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. By focusing on comfort, you can create a space that is not only functional, but also a pleasure to spend time in. Personal workspace. If you need a place to work or study, create a dedicated workspace in the room. Choose a desk and chair that are comfortable and ergonomic, and make sure the area is well lit. Keep the workspace organized with storage solutions like desk organizers, shelves, and drawers. By creating a dedicated workspace, you can be more productive and focused, even in a small space. Stylish design. Don't forget to make the room stylish and visually appealing. Choose decor and furniture that reflect your personal style and that you enjoy looking at. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a more eclectic and colorful style, make sure the room feels cohesive and well designed. By paying attention to the details and creating a stylish space, you can make the room a place you love to be in. With these design tips, you can maximize your Murphy room and create a space that is functional, stylish, and enjoyable to use. Whether you're working with a small space or just want to make the most of your room, these tips can help you create a versatile and beautiful space that meets all your needs. Section 9. Small space, no problem. Don't let a small space limit your design dreams. A deluxe room with a Murphy bed is the perfect solution for maximizing every square foot. Whether you're working with a studio apartment, a tiny house, or simply want to make the most of a guest room, a Murphy bed can unlock a world of possibilities. Section 10. Embrace the Murphy bed advantage. From space-saving convenience to stylish versatility, Murphy beds offer a multitude of advantages. They allow you to create a living space that adapts to your needs, seamlessly transitioning from day to night. And when you add in the deluxe factor, those luxurious touches that elevate the everyday, you have a winning combination. Section 11. Your dream deluxe room awaits. So why settle for ordinary when you can have it all? Imagine the freedom of a clutter-free living space, the comfort of a luxurious bedroom, and the stylish design that reflects your unique personality. It's all within reach with a deluxe room featuring the magic of a Murphy bed.